Hello, wonderful people. We're going to create a bookmark from a blank template today. So go to canva.com. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the center, and where it says search, you're going to type in bookmark and hit return. And today we're going to create a blank bookmark. So you're going to click on the blank bookmark. So again, you can come in here and you could choose some of these templates, but I want you to try to make one of your own. And one of the places where you can go is into the elements. So if you click on elements, you can see some things that have been recently used. There's stickers, there's photos. We probably won't need the video. There's frames. So there's different things in here that you could use. So I think I'm going to get a background. So let's search background. So I'm going to choose one of my backgrounds. I think I'll choose this one. And then you need to size it using the sidebars here and the top bar. So just click on each one of these little toggle switches. I think I would like to add some text to it, and you can choose text down here, or you can just add a text box. So whatever you decide. And then you could come in and redo this. I'm going to ungroup mine. There, that way I can move it around. Okay, so I put for the love of books. And also I want to make sure I put my name in here. So I can put my name. And if I highlight this, I can make the text smaller. So I think I'll choose something like, let's try 21. Nope, let's try 18. You choose whatever size you want, whatever fits in yours. So I think I'm going to put that there. And then I think I'm going to click on elements on the left hand side. Let me get rid of background. I'm going to type in books. And you can see there's different books here. So maybe I'll get 2 things in here. And another thing is you can move this forward. If I click on the 3 dots, I go to layer and I'll say bring forward. All right, so I think I like how that looks. Actually, I think I'm going to change this yellow here to something else. All right, now the last thing I need to do is I need to download it. So I would like to try to print these for you. So what you need to do is you need to click share. You need to click download. And this says PDF. I don't want a PDF. I want a PNG or JPG. So you can change it to either one, a JPEG or a PNG file. I'll choose PNG, and then you click download. So that goes to your downloads folder, and that is what you're going to upload to Google Classroom. I hope you all have fun with this, and I'm looking forward to seeing your bookmarks. Have a great day.